Hello everyone, as I promised, this is the tutorial for the lighthouse that I did while I was staying at the beach. As you can see, I am just putting together these two containers that I got at the Dollar Tree. Now I'm going to add more rope, making a mark where I'm going to start adding it, applying glue all around, and then going around with the rope and with my fingers pushing it down so I can make sure that they are close to each other as possible. Now, as you can see, I end up with 3 sections of ropes. The next step would be to paint the containers in white, but before I do that, I'm sanding it so the paint will adhere better. Now I am painting the ropes in red all around. Now after I finish with all this, I am going to add the light on the top. As you can see, I am gluing the tea light to this paper cup. And now I am going to paint the paper cup in black. And I'm going also to paint this container that I have on the top that's made out of metal. I'm going to paint it also in black. This container made out of metal I got at the Dollar Tree also. And that's it. And this is the final result. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.